have literally been crawling into bed every day after work. I am literally over it. I'm tired, y'all. I am tired. In today's video, we are going to focus on the kitchen. So my first tip is for you, put your dishes up. They have been sitting there way too long, and I know they have. Once you actually let them dry, just try your best to immediately put them up instead of letting them sit there for 5 days, because then you're kind of living out of a dish pile, and I feel like it leaves the counter cluttered. I want to give you a more realistic view, so maybe something like this. And I feel like when you walk into the kitchen and you see this on the counter, though they are clean, it still appears to be a mess. It appears to be dysfunctional and unorganized, and imagine if we were to just clean it up. Now look at that. Isn't that so much better? It looks way neater. Now I have room for these dirty dishes to go in here. Go ahead and take a peek into your kitchen now. Turn your volume up so you can still hear me talking. Are you in there? I'll give you like 1 minute. You there yet? So if you see your dishes sitting out, then just go ahead and put them up. They will make life a lot easier. They'll just make you feel less stressed and less tense when you're walking into the kitchen, less frustrated. Don't you guys hate when you get to the bottom of your sink and you touch an unknown substance? You clean out that mystery mold from your Tupperware and now it's time to collect? Yeah, this is where these gloves come in. These are my dishwashing gloves. All right, so I've been wanting to learn Vogue for a while. That kind of hurt. I'm not gonna do that no more. Okay, I have my dishwashing gloves on. These gloves have literally saved my life. I literally hate doing the dishes. I had to do them from birth till now. I love the fact that when I'm washing dishes and I'm in here for a while with my hands in the sink, especially when there's a ton of dishes, my fingers get soggy, and I hate when they get wrinkly and they kind of like squeak when you rub them together. That literally irks the life out of me. When you soak your hands in water for so long, your nails become brittle and they start peeling off, and especially if you're using bleach or any other chemicals. That's number one. So if you care about your hands and your fingers, fingernails, consider getting gloves. You can also withstand the hot heat on your hands, so if you need the water to get way warmer than you can handle, get yourself some gloves. And if you can see it, these gloves also have little ridges. They do help to get gunk off of your dishes, so that's a plus. You know how you're washing a glass or something and there's a little smudge on there? You can just kind of use this to rub at it, and that also helps to get the job done. So, you know, guys, just get some gloves. Make sure you guys try this. If you do, let me know how it goes. Let me know how wearing gloves has changed your life. I wish I had invented gloves so that I could be marketing myself right now. Somebody's gonna make some money off of this video, but it's not gonna be me, so. Since you asked, I like to fill my sink up like the very minimum to start, so I can rinse dishes and the water can still go into the sink, since I don't have like 2 sinks. That's the way I do it, and then when it fills up, you know, to the brim here, then I'll let it out and then kind of redo it again, because typically then the water is pretty murky and it's time to change it anyway. How do you guys wash your dishes? Is there a different method that you have, or you do something like this? Let me know in the comment section. It also makes it a lot easier if you put your trash can next to your sink when you're washing dishes, so you can easily just put it in there instead of having to walk away, come back, and repeat. Okay, so we're all set. Look at the dishes. I'm going to give them some time to dry, and then I'm going to put them up. Did you put yours up yet? Go put them up. This is your last warning. Put them up. You guys, we did it. We did it. We are all finished. Before I forget, I want to give you guys a riddle. The first one to get the answer right wins. I don't have anything to offer, but you just win. So you just bring home the big W. So my guest will arrive a 1/4 noon. Where are all of my forks and spoons? Best answer in the comment section wins. See you there. Thank you guys for joining me in this video today. I enjoyed your company. Hopefully you got something finished today. Make sure you put your dishes up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, I would love to hear them, and I'll see you again. Peace out.